Hi everyone and welcome back to the final morning report chart appraisal on Thursday the 18th of December with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hand Tech Markets. And my final chart is gold. And the gold chart, again, it's a little bit up in the air. I mean, I just talked about the dollar yen chart, and because of this Fed meeting, again, the gold chart is a little bit up in the air because we've got, if you just take a step back and look at the big picture at the moment, we've still got this big downtrend channel intact. So theoretically, you've got this bearish outlook that you're still working with. Rallies that are being used as a chance to sell. Fine. Now, zooming in a little bit, in a near to medium term outlook, we've got these higher lows intact. But we had this higher low at 1,186.10, and that was breached yesterday to the downside, 1,183.70. Now, theoretically, we're sort of now coming towards this becoming a bit of a top pattern, although I don't think I'd be calling this a top pattern yet because we're still above this key floor of 1180 spot 70, which has been the historic floor for a long time, which was broken and then has now sort of become I think a historic pivot level that we need to still work with. So I think we would get a confirmation of that top pattern if it were to be seen on a move below that 1180 spot 70 level. But today what we've seen is a bit of a recovery, but that recovery from that from yesterday's low of 1183.70 is just not really being able to break above that 1200 mark, which I've said time and time again is a psychological level, and it continues to act as a barrier under normal trading conditions. And it seems to be that once again that is sort of becoming the level of resistance that this move is facing. So we've had this breakdown of the that reaction high, of that key reaction low at 1186, and arguably to complete a top pattern, we're still in this downtrend channel. So I think there are several reasons why you'd be sort of wanting to be more short than long on gold, and sort of looking arguably to use any sort of rebounds as a chance to sell. Also looking at this intraday chart, you've got the sequence of lower highs intact across the last few days, and I suppose you could even draw a downtrend in there. Let's just get one going there. Yeah, that's not too bad as a downtrend, so it's not strictly speaking accurate, but still you've got a bit of a gauge, and that comes in around about that 1212 mark at the moment. So maybe if you were still getting a bit of a rebound within this sort of downtrend here, you could use that as a chance to sell. But certainly at the moment, this 1200 level seems to be still acting as a bit of a pivot level, currently resistance. So I'd be rather looking to be short than long on gold still, because of this big macro downtrend channel that we've got. But still, the rebound today has been fairly positive for gold, but I would be looking to probably use this as a chance to sell. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you tomorrow. Thank you.